Hello friends, hola amigos, and welcome to Fun Toys Mundo. Today, let's open his Play-Doh Kitchen Creations, and this one is a Toaster Creations. Let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. Here we have a toaster. There are also some molds on the side. Here's some Play-Doh and recipe cards. Here we have 6 cans of Play-Doh. White, red, brown, yellow, 1 small can of orange, and 1 small can of green. In Spanish, blanco, rojo, café, amarillo, anaranjado, y verde. We also have 2 recipe cards. One is breakfast and one is lunch. To say breakfast in Spanish, you say desayuno. To say lunch in Spanish, you say almuerzo. 2 plates, and there are molds on the back. Plate in Spanish is plato. Tenemos 2 platos. We have 1 fork and 1 knife. In Spanish, fork is tenedor. Knife in Spanish is cuchillo. We also have 6 molds. Let's count them in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This mold makes lettuce, an egg, an onion. This is meat for the sandwich, cheese, and tomato. This is a cutter to make a waffle. This roller makes a waffle. And here is an extruder. This is our toaster to make toast. It also has some molds to make an apple, pickle, strawberry, blueberry, butter, and peas. First, let's make a sandwich. Let's make some bread using the toaster, white and brown Play-Doh. Here is our bread, and it's all toasted. Yummy toast. And mix these colors together to make a new color for ham. And here we have a new color for ham. Here is ham. Ham in Spanish is jamón. Ham goes first on the bread. Now let's make some lettuce. Here's the lettuce. Lettuce in Spanish is lechuga. Let's make a tomato. Here's a tomato. Tomato in Spanish is tomate. Let's make some cheese. Here's our cheese. Cheese in Spanish is queso. Let's make a pickle. Pickle in Spanish is pepinillo. Otro pepinillo, another pickle. Now for the bread on top. This is a big ham sandwich. To say sandwich in Spanish, you say sandwich. To go with our sandwich, let's make some chips and pretzels. Here's a potato chip. Yummy potato chips. To say potatoes in Spanish, you say papas. Let's make some pretzels. Here we have 4 pretzels and 4 potato chips. Let's count in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are some yummy chips and pretzels to go with our sandwich. Delicious! Now let's make a waffle. Here is a waffle. Let's put some butter on the waffle. Let's put some syrup on the waffle using brown Play-Doh and this extruder. Let's make a strawberry. A little green Play-Doh. And some red Play-Doh. This is a pretty strawberry. Delicious! Let's make an egg using this mold, yellow Play-Doh and white Play-Doh. What a delicious egg! Egg in Spanish is huevo. Here we have a delicious breakfast, desayuno, and we have a delicious lunch, almuerzo. This Play-Doh set of toaster creations was super fun! Thank you for coming to Fun Toys Mundo. And become a friend and click subscribe and keep watching for more videos in English y Español. Adios, amigos!